Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty. This is Devyani. So today's video is going to be my February favorites. This series is going great. Only 2 videos, but yeah, it's going great. I am on track with my videos, and this year I think I'll make it till the end with the schedule for the uploads. And yeah, this video is going to be my February favorites. I hope you all watched my January favorites. If not, I'll be linking it down in the description box below. Go follow me on all my social media and be subscribed to my channel. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it, and without any further ado, let's get started. So starting with the random things first, I went to the Kalagoda Fest, which is held at Fort. It's an art and cultural event for 7 days, the first week of February, and it was really great this year. And yeah, I really loved it. I actually went 2 times, once in the evening and once in early morning. So early morning you get really great pictures, there's less crowd, and if you want Instagram pictures, that's the best time to go. My next random favorite is this jeans bag that my mom made from my old jeans skirt. This is really good and I really love my mom for this. So mama, I love you for this bag. And yeah, it is really nice. I have been traveling with this bag everywhere. For my shoot also I took this one. It is quite big and I think a lot of things fit in here. So yeah, this is a new favorite, and this is going to be like for the whole year or till it like damages. So yeah, coming to the food section, I am really loving this Unibic snack bars. I already finished these two, the fruit and nut choco and the fruit and nut version, and I have the multi-grain choco and almond and oats version still there. I already finished the blue one. I already had one extra blue one. So these are great for a snack and also while traveling. So yeah, these are my new favorites. Next is Pav Bhaji Maggi. Now I was thinking what I can mix with Maggi. That is my favorite, and first thing that came to my mind was Pav Bhaji. So I am trying out recipes for Pav Bhaji Maggi. It is going really great. Once I get the recipe right, I will definitely upload a video on Pav Bhaji Maggi. So yeah, that is like a new favorite. Coming to the skincare, makeup and hair sort of the section, the first favorite is the Layer Water Girl in the fragrant Secret Crush. This is a body splash and I'm really loving it. I've been using it for 20-25 days now, and yeah, it smells really sweet, fruity and flowery fragrance, and I don't have to reapply it for like 4 to 5 hours. So it's really great for everyday use. My next favorite is the Dove body wash. Now I've been using the Dove body washes for quite a lot of time now. I have used the hibiscus and almond ones and the I think coconut and jasmine one, but this gentle exfoliating with the exfoliating beads is the new one that I'm using currently, and yeah, I really like this version as well. I am a a fan of body washes, the Dove ones. So yeah, it retails for like 99 rupees and lasts for like a month. So yeah, this is really great. My next favorite has to be a face pack. I am really obsessed with face packs and face scrubs for like past 1 month or 1.5 months. I am really into my skin routine thing, and the one pack that I really love using is the Himalaya Neem face pack. It is for normal to oily skin, but I really love this. It smells a little bit weird, but I really like the results it gives. So yeah, this is a new favorite. I already finished 1 tube of this. This is my second tube and it is almost like half empty. So yeah, this one is a thumbs up for me. This is gonna stay in my skincare routine. My next favorite has to be the Goodnight fabric roll-on. I used this when I was on the shoot, and this was actually in my bag for like 2-3 months, and I did not get like a situation for using this, but that day there were so many mosquitoes around and I used this, and this really is a nice repellent and it is like travel friendly. You can just keep this in your bag, and yeah, this is gonna stay in my bag right now. Coming to the film, music and entertainment section, I don't think there's anything on the TV right now that I am watching except for Ratri's Khechale. And yeah, for movies, I did not watch any movies till now. I just watched Gully Boy. So yeah, that is great. I loved Alia Bhatt in the movie, and yeah, it's a really nice movie. The songs are amazing. I am still addicted to those songs. And yeah, that's it. One more song that I'm addicted to is Break Up With Your Girlfriend by Ariana Grande. The twist at the end of the song hit me like when the first time I watched the song. But yeah, it's really great, and that has also been on loop in my head. So that's it for my February favorites. I hope you really liked this video, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.